Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aditya's Creation. As you know, spring is arriving, so today's video is about spring lamp. This spring lamp, you can also use it as a hanger, you can also use it as a lamp, you can gift it to someone, and it is super easy to make, and it is only made of paper. So let's start with the video without further ado. So first of all, we will need a A4 size paper and a pink sketch pen. After that, we will draw flowers, and between you can fill colors of different textures or whatever is your wish, and of different design also you can make flowers. This is a gift for my sister, so she loves pink flowers, so I'm making pink flowers. As you know, spring is also recognized as different flowers, so you can also make another like Japanese spring tree. You can make any drawing as your wish. So here, as you can see, I made different flowers. Now I'm going to write spring in Japanese. As you know, I don't know how to write in Japanese, so I searched on Google, and after seeing the Google format of letter, I copied the same thing on the paper. You have to make this in middle if you are writing this thing. Now we will fold this paper horizontally, and after that we will cut it from the edges. We will cut from the edge of the two sides of parallel, and we will not cut it from the other side, which is the open side. Now, as you can see, when we will open the paper, this will be the design. Now we will fold it into a like circle, sorry, not circle, in cylindrical form and in the standing position. So at the one side I will put some glue, and on the other side also I will put some glue, and I will tape them together. So here I took a paper and I made a brown border at the side of the page, and now I'm cutting it. You have to cut it straight. If still there is some white dots, you can cover it again with the sketch pen. If you want a little harder texture, you can also use chart paper, and I will recommend chart paper only because using paper is really light. I recognized it afterwards. So I taped the hanger on the both sides of the lamp, and I put a electric tea light candle inside it. You can also use it as a hanger or as a lamp. It is totally your wish. I hope you like it. If yes, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel because I create different kind of creative videos every Tuesday, and also share it with your friends and family members. It's a perfect gift idea. I meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye.